So I'm focusing on my center diamond. That's what will keep you aware of what you're doing. I want to be able to paint the entire diamond. So I made tape on the outside of that diamond. So this whole row is the outside of the diamond. This next row, I'm gonna put my tape on the inside of the diamond because this tape is already on the inside of the next diamond. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Tape inside the diamond, just like this. Then on the next row, I'm gonna leave it completely open and I'm gonna take tape on the outside of the diamond. You always wanna detack your tape. So I put it on my clothes, pull it off, put it around my leg, pull it off. Freshly painted surfaces, no matter how well you've prepped them, they need really 30 days to cure and harden, so just wanna be kind to it. You don't wanna use tape with a real heavy tack. So I detack it, and I am going to tape off in diagonal lines, leaving an entire diamond open in each space. And just press lightly, not to press really hard. One direction is taped. I'm gonna do the exact same thing in the opposite direction. So I've taped off one direction of my Harlequin. Doesn't it look off? It's every other row is taped on the outside of the diamond. So if you look at, this is my center diamond, it's wide open, and that one's ready to paint. So this row is on the outside of the diamond. This is a skinny row on the inside, outside, inside. Same thing, opposite direction. So that's why it looks wide, skinny, wide, skinny, wide, skinny, wide, skinny. I'm gonna do the exact same thing in the opposite direction, being this one right here, open. So I'm gonna tape on the outside and on the outside, then on the inside. Starting with my center diamond, focusing on leaving that one open, putting this on my body, detacking my tape. Okay, so focusing on the center Harlequin shape, I am taping on the outside and laying that down. I'll do the same thing on the other side of it, detacking my tape again, and on the outside. So my entire center diamond is exposed. Next diamond is tape's gonna be in the middle of it. The next two diamonds on the outside will be fully exposed. I don't know why, I just like a challenge.